Sabi ni Jesus, no one has a greater love than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend.
We see the mercy of undeserved love. We see your perfect heart as you remake us, God. We see you as you are, not as we made you to be. You're the maker of all our hopes and dreams.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Hindi ko plinano from the moment na nagpa-cute ka. Pero grabe rin ang tinuro sa akin ng Panginoon. It is only by His love that I am able to stand right now and face you.
Your love is devoted, like a ring of solid gold, like a vow that is tested, like a covenant of old. And your love is enduring through the winter rain and beyond the horizon, with mercy for today. Faithful you have been, and faithful you will be. You pledge yourself to me, and it's why I sing your praise.
No, about to be your singing partner. Songs of worship, songs of praise, or anything under the sun, basta magka-duet tayo. Okay? About to be your fitness partner. We will help each other to be healthy always. About to be your helper and encourager when it comes to our ministry.
Ramdam na ramdam ko yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa akin. And I keep on praising God because He gave me a godly man.
You father the orphan, your kindness makes us whole, and you shoulder our weakness, and your strength becomes our own. Now you're making me like you.
We will declare, we will decree every prayer in the name of Jesus. Even now, sa kasal natin, these are all happening because of His grace. Kung saan man, pagdesisyon natin, kung kailan, kung sino-sinong magagandang taong imbitahin natin, lahat yon, it's all because of Him alone.
Ipilitin kong gumising ng maaga.
Your praise